Assalamualaikum. Just same as above. What I can't skip is actually the saying from the greatest scholar of our history. So it is about health and how we can achieve the health goals. This is what I want to talk with you. That the allied health professionals, which I feel by myself, that is somewhat invisible region of our health system. They serves as the backbone of this system, but they remain hidden, they remain invisible behind the health professionals, mean the doctors, the nurses, which comes in the front, which actually deal with the patients, and the people who are working in the labs, the people who are making the radiology and so on. There are a number of these. They remain hidden behind. And we have to recognize them. And if we want to strengthen this health system, we actually have to strengthen the allied health professionals. The problems are so much that we fit in each of the health belief model, but we do not fit in any health seeking belief model. This is the reality. And actually we have a scarcity of the resources. Yes, it is a fact. But what we have already, we have to use these resources efficiently. And one of this resource in the health system we have are the allied health professionals. So if we want to strengthen the health system, we actually have to consider the big chunk. And this big chunk is actually the peoples who belongs to allied health professionals. They are around 60 to 70% of this system. But they are not there in the policy making, in the decisions, and so on. How we can come over the gaps present in our system. And I feel that this gap can be filled at least to a certain extent by using properly our health professionals, the allied health professionals. We can fill this gap. As we have discussed there, that the peoples are not ready to go to remote areas. The peoples are not ready, and this is thankful that the government jobs are not available for the farmers. Otherwise, no field will be sown. अगर गवर्नमेंट जॉब अवेलेबल होती ना फार्मर्स के लिए, तो शायद वो भी सारे शहरों को आ गए होते ना, और फिर जो है ना वो हमारी फील्ड्स में काम करने के लिए भी शायद कोई नहीं बचता. बट द प्राइमरी केयर हेल्थ यूनिट कैन बी run by these allied health professionals. We can fill the gaps there. As the primary health care unit there, the lady health workers are working there. So we can use all of our allied health professionals efficiently, and we can fill this gap which is present in our health system. How they can fill this gap actually? We have discussed there again that there is scarcity of the physician. There are more number of the patients are there and less number of the doctors are there. Now why every patient have to be treated with the doctor, and why again and again he have to be treated by the doctor? Yes, it is that the physicians plays a pivotal role in our health system. जो हमारा health system है ना, वो शुरू वहीं से होता है, patient वहीं आता है. Once diagnosis हो गया ना, उसके बाद अगर उसे फिजियोथेरेपी की जरूरत है, then why we do not strengthen our physiotherapist to the level that he can deal with it forward. एक पेशेंट क्लिनिक तक पहुंचता है और उसके बाद डॉक्टर डिसाइड करता है कि he needs some hematological examinations. Then from then now, why a medical laboratory technologist cannot diagnose him? And in a similar manner, every field of the allied health science must have to be strengthened to the level that we can free our physician, to get involved in the conditions which are somewhat serious, where the diagnosis requires the interpretation of signs and symptom, not the samples, not the radiological examination. These are the facts which can be dealt with any AI program. If these can be dealt with AI program, then why not a trained allied health professional can do this? So we have to strengthen them actually. If we want to strengthen our health system. Now there are certain hurdles present in this. अगर हम strengthen करना चाहते हैं ना अपने allied health professionals को, तो उसमें कुछ hurdles मौजूद हैं. और वो hurdles क्या हैं? First, they are not recognized, and these hurdles are: let them train properly. आपने उन्हें क्या करना है? अगर आप उन पर rely करने के लिए तैयार नहीं हैं, तो आप उन्हें ट्रेन कीजिए. प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग के साथ आप जब उनको समझें कि वो इस काबिल हो गए हैं कि वो डायग्नोसिस मेंट कर सकते हैं, तो फिर उनको लैब्स में भेज दीजिए, उनको रेडियोग्राफी के लिए भेज दीजिए. सो वी नीड प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग. सो व्हाट हैपन in developed countries? These peoples are trained by proper institutions under the control of institutional bodies. So what? हमें क्या करना चाहिए? Let close these institute. जो ऑलरेडी इंस्टीट्यूट अवेलेबल है उन्हें क्लोज कर देना चाहिए क्योंकि वो पॉलिसीज को फॉलो नहीं कर रहे. नो, वी हैव टू स्ट्रेंथन दीज. एटलीस्ट वो मौजूद तो है ना, एटलीस्ट वो आपको ट्रेंड लोग प्रोवाइड तो कर रहे हैं ना. तो बजाय इसके कि आप रेगुलराइजेशन के नाम पर उनको क्लोज करने की कोशिश करें, आप उन्हें स्ट्रेंथन कीजिए, उनको वो टेक्निकल सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड कीजिए ताकि वो आपको क्वालिटी एजुकेशन के थ्रू क्वालिटी पर्सन्स प्रोवाइड कर सकें. लेट देम डिसाइड फॉर देमसेल्व्स. इंक्लूड देम इन पॉलिसी मेकिंग. आप उनको शामिल कीजिए कि वो अपने ही बारे में पॉलिसीज को बना सकें. खुद के सिवा अपने लिए जो है वो डिसीजन और कौन बेहतर ले सकता है. सो लेट देम इंक्लूड इन पॉलिसी मेकिंग. उनको उन बॉडीज के अंदर शामिल किया जाना चाहिए जो कि अलाइड हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल्स के लिए पॉलिसीज बनाती हैं. लेट देम बी अलाई, नॉट असिस्टेंट. They are the allied health professionals are not assistant. They are the allies. Why? What we are calling them allied health professional, not assistant health professionals. So let them be the ally of health professionals. Strengthen them to the level and believe in them and allow them to play their proper role in the field of this health system. That it's only then they will be able to perform their proper role, and this is only when they will strengthen this system of ours, the health system. So this is the thought with which I have came there. If we want to strengthen our health system, it only will happen when we strengthen our allied health professionals, because they are 70% of the total persons present in this field. So this is the only thought which I have brought to you. So thank you very much for listening.